Events like this are really important to the sector. We're all about bringing young people into engineering and manufacturing and getting those young people not just to do things the way we've always done it, but think about how we can do things in new ways and better ways. And this is all about empowering them to start that journey and really be inventive and change the world.
I chose to take part in the challenge because I really enjoyed it last year and I wanted to push myself even further and become team leader of this challenge. Taking part in this challenge has enabled me to gain many skills. This includes communication, teamwork, project leading, and even some of the technical skills like coding and designing.
The experience of the Apprentice Automation Challenge is really important to the development of our apprentices because it provides them with a risk-free environment to grow and test and evaluate their skills. And the day itself is really important to us because when we come here on site, the apprentices get the experience of seeing other projects and similar areas of technology that we work in at RICO.
The IMechE challenges are key to the engineering community because it's a place where we can showcase skills and develop leaders for the future. We're all about inspiring and developing the next generation. We're looking to grow those leaders and grow those future workers and make sure that we are improving the world through engineering.